Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and I've recently just bought an ABI Marauder, I don't know how to pronounce it, a 382 Caravan for 350 quid. It's a 1993, and basically this video is going to be set up in a few parts. So first of all, I'm going to do a bit of cinematic footage. Then I'm going to go around and show you some of the features of this caravan, because as far as I'm aware, it is completely original. And then at the end, I'm going to go into some of the things I'm going to be doing to it, and then, you know, introducing the next video, which is going to be my restoration plans. And then we're going to go into loads of restoration videos. But yeah, so that's that. So let's get to it. So I hope you liked that dodgy bit of cinematic footage, as well as well, as much as I could try. Anyway, let's get to the business end of the caravan. So we're going to go outside, we're going to look at the towing hook, and we're going to go from the electrics point from there. So pretty standard handbrake, obviously towing hook, jock wheel. Obviously that's for your lights, which is fine because it's the same sort of year as my G-Wagon, which is 1990, this is 93. And then this one's for charging your leisure battery, which is very important on this caravan because it's so old it doesn't have an electrical hookup. We'll get back to that in a minute. Around the rear, this is your water inlet, and then your water outlet. Oven, got a grill in there, which is pretty good. And then these slide down, just a bit more wood space. Got gas bottles out here. You've got two small ones you can fit in there, but I don't know if they do the small ones anymore. So this is the toilet, which is just a porta potty. You've got your drop down sink with a waste pipe, which is pretty good. And then obviously we just use this as a bit of a storeroom, to be honest. You've got a gas heater. I'm probably not going to use that personally. It's going to get ripped out. You've got storage in this cupboard. Obviously underneath there's the gas bottle. And here you've got more storage and a bit to hang your clothes on. There's a little bit more storage behind here, just by the wheel arch. Fridge can be used with gas, electric hookup, or the battery. It's also got a freezer compartment. All this turns into a double bed, which is quite nice. Underneath here's your electric stuff, or spare wheel first, and electric jack. Underneath the sink, you've got some more storage compartments. That's a fake drawer. That's a pull-out drawer. It's a bit dodge. Grill. There's some more storage on it. It's got a roof light there, and a roof light in there. Sweet. So thank you very much for watching. I am going to be doing a video after this one on my plans for restoring it. So if you do want to see that, then obviously turn the notification bell on and make sure you like and subscribe. If you've got any suggestions, and put it in the comment section. I will be doing videos on how to turn it into a mains caravan, how to clean the wheels, how to clean the exterior, how to rip out the interior. But yeah, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.